Hello guys, and today we are going to do a toy review. Okay, so this is my first toy review, so yes, let's get started. Okay, so today we have the Laguna Blue Gold Pet Beast. Yeah, she has a turtle, and on the back it says, Laguna Blue, daughter of the sea monster. How do I move? I float. I'm very chill in and out of the water. I try not to sweat things, but when I do, I just swim it off. Personality style. I keep it casual, from sporty cute to surfer chic. So I'm always up for whatever is going on. That sounds fun. Monster quirk. When I'm out of the water too long, I develop frightfully dry skin. I slather on so much skin cream, sometimes I'm as slippery as an eel monster. So yes, I'm just going to give you a closer look at her. Here's a picture on the back. And then it has her profile thingy. I totally did not drop it. Okay. So yes. I like the designs on these. Yes. So yes, this is my first toy review. Give likes if you like my toy reviews. So yes, and I'll be right back because a special guest will be coming. And we have Toriel here. I like her because she's a cat. She's a cat and she's a cat. I like her right here. It's like you can't barely lift it up. Poor friend. She's trapped in a box. And that poor thing is out of water. You know what? After this video, you guys are going to see this turtle swim. Swim! Okay, so I'm going to snap my fingers and Laguna Blue is going to be out of her box. So here's Laguna Blue. She has like little seashells and starfish all over her dress and Hawaiian flowers and turtles. Instead of the regular blue that she would normally have in her house, she has a very, very light blue. I love her shoes. You guys can see this. I like the shoes. Yeah, they look like little sea turtle thing. Here's her dress. And that's the very light streak I was talking about. And here's the turtle. Oops, sorry guys. Okay, that's the turtle. It came in this cute little beach ball. I think. It's a beach ball. Okay. I'll be right back. Okay, I got the water. Okay, it's time for this turtle. This poor turtle that was been in a box to meet water. Okay, will it sink or float? I don't know. Its butt floats. Its butt floats. But its head just goes, no, I don't like my life. Oh, God. Oh, wait, go down. I'm a turtle. I belong in a museum. No, okay. Take her out. Shake her off. Toriel's trying to not go near the water. Or the turtle, or a Laguna. Okay. I have completed my my dream of touching water. And now my life is complete. Nya, 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 nya. Okay, I don't know. Oh God, she went frizzy hair. She got the frizz hair. Okay, she got the frizz hair. Oh, we're just gonna pet that hair. Pet that. Oh no, her blue streak. Come back to me. Okay. Here she is with her turtle. Her wet turtle. Come here. Oh, perfect. Perfection. Then a ball. The ball can be down here. Oh my gosh, perfection. She can be a supermodel. Yeah. Cool. I love her. Okay, guys. See you next time on Alice the Party.